If you are watching your bank account bleed dry from monthly software subscriptions, you are probably crying into your morning coffee right now. Every guru tells you that you need 10 different tools just to survive online. But New Year BundleApps claims to fix this by giving you 12, yes, 12 premium AI tools for less than the price of a large pepperoni pizza. It sounds too good to be true, right? Let us see if it is the real deal or just shiny garbage. Hey, Kamal from TestedApps.com here. I have spent the last 6 years reviewing software, breaking funnels, and testing tools that promise the moon. I do this so you do not have to waste your money. Today, we are doing a brutally honest review of New Year BundleApps. Real talk, real results, and absolutely no fluff. If you are an affiliate marketer or looking to start an agency in 2026, you need to hear this. And listen, if you decide this tool is for you, do not just buy it anywhere. Grab it through my link below. I've put together a custom bonus package that actually makes this thing useful and helps you get traffic to these apps. The full details are in the description box. So what exactly is New Year BundleApps? It's a cloud-based platform that bundles 12 of their best-selling AI applications into one single dashboard. The main promise here is simple. Stop paying monthly fees for email, voiceovers, website builders, and SEO tools. You get everything under one roof. But the biggest selling point is that it comes with a commercial and white label license included. This means you are not just a user, you are a business owner from day one. Step 1 is logging in. It's easier than trying to remember your Netflix password. You get immediate access to all 12 apps on the dashboard without downloading or installing a single thing. Step 2 is choosing your weapon. Whether you need to build a website, generate a voiceover, create a mobile app, or send emails, you just click the app you need. It's all right there. Step 3 is launch and profit. You create the asset, and because of the license, you can use it to grow your own business or sell it to clients immediately. Let's break down what actually moves the needle here, because 12 apps is a lot to digest. First, you get Sendbox AI. This is a massive win. It's an autoresponder that lets you upload unlimited lists and send unlimited emails. If you are tired of paying Aweber or GetResponse $50 a month just to talk to your subscribers, this app alone pays for the entire bundle 10 times over. Second, you have the agency builders like AI App Maker and Siteflow. These tools let you build mobile apps for Android and iOS or secure websites with just a keyword. You can literally go on Upwork or Fiverr, list a service for app creation, and fulfill the order in minutes using these tools. You are basically an instant agency without needing to learn a single line of code. Third, you get niche-specific tools like AI Writer and AI Game Zone. AI Writer lets you build cat booking sites like Uber, and Game Zone lets you build gaming affiliate sites. These are unique angles that most general website builders simply cannot do. Let's talk numbers, because this is where it gets wild. The front-end price is just $17 one time, and I think there's a coupon code NY Year Bundle 2 that takes another $2 off. Think about that. If you bought a separate email tool, a website builder, and a voiceover app, you are easily looking at $200 a month in recurring fees. That's $2,400 a year. With this, you pay $17 once and you own it forever. It works out to about $1.41 per app. That's insane value, even if you only end up using 2 or 3 of them. Okay, let's go over and play a quick video explaining this a little bit more.
Hey there! Stop and pay. Very close attention to this life-changing deal. What if I told you that just minutes from now, you could unlock the biggest and most valuable 2025 New Year deal ever? Yes, you read that right. For the first time ever, we're giving you exclusive access to 12 of our best-selling AI apps, all bundled into one powerful dashboard. And here's the jaw-dropper. You get it all for just 7 cents per app. But wait, it gets even better. The best part? These apps come with built-in white label and reseller licenses, meaning you can rebrand them as your own, sell them to your clients at any price you want and keep 100% of the profits. Sounds like a life-changing deal? Look, AI apps are taking over the world, dominating every corner of the digital space. In this booming AI era, businesses, creators, and entrepreneurs are turning to these powerful tools like never before to scale faster, save time, and multiply their profits. From content creation to e-commerce, video marketing to SEO, and even customer engagement, AI apps are the ultimate game changer. And hence, the demand for AI apps is at an all-time high with no signs of slowing down. And seeing the massive profit potential and limitless possibilities of owning the complete suite of AI bundled apps covering every digital need, we decided to give it a try. But we quickly ran into a major problem. Well, creating a powerful bundle of AI apps that handles everything, from content creation to e-commerce, video marketing, SEO, and customer engagement is no easy task. It comes at a premium price and involves tons of hard work. Developing each app from scratch demands advanced coding, technical skills, and a huge investment in resources. Plus, integrating them all into one seamless dashboard, it's time-consuming and expensive. And let's not forget, managing these tools individually can be overwhelming and drains productivity. But what if there was a better way? Where you can instantly access our 12 best-selling AI apps bundled into one powerful dashboard that works flawlessly, without any tech skills or monthly fees. Introducing New Year BundleApps, a cloud-based platform supercharged with our exclusive 12 best-selling AI apps, all bundled into one powerful dashboard, with full commercial and white label license. And here's what's inside this New Year BundleApps. SiteFlow AI. Generate beautiful websites with just a single keyword instantly. AI video books. Create animated and engaging 3D video books that captivate readers. Cartoon Maker AI. Craft AI cartoon videos, simply by using a single keyword for endless creativity. AI App Maker. Design mobile apps for Android and iOS with drag-and-drop simplicity. Voice GPT AI. Craft emotional AI voices that resonate with your audience effortlessly. Yoga Sites AI. Build stunning yoga websites loaded with done-for-you yoga and fitness videos. AI Writer. Launch Uber-like AI websites and mobile apps in no time. Pet Sites AI. Create adorable pet sites packed with done-for-you pet foods, toys, and more. Kid Tales PLR. Produce engaging Kid Tales PLR videos and ebooks that capture young imaginations. AI Game Zone. Develop AI gaming websites complete with done-for-you games for instant fun. Sendbox AI. Send unlimited emails to unlimited customers without breaking a sweat. Backlink Maker AI. Generate unlimited backlinks that propel your website to the first page of search results. And the best part? You can get everything done in just a few clicks. Finally, this next-gen, futuristic New Year BundleApps gives you access to 12 of the most powerful AI apps ever created, bundled together in one seamless dashboard. Say goodbye to juggling multiple subscriptions for various apps. Say goodbye to wasting hours, learning complicated tools, and stop burning your hard-earned money on overpriced AI tools that deliver half the value. Now it's time for you to experience the true power of these game-changing AI apps designed to cover every digital need. Content creation, video marketing, SEO, e-commerce, customer engagement, and more, all on complete autopilot. Look, this AI bundle is a one-of-a-kind revolution, allowing even complete beginners with zero technical experience to start profiting from day one. Wondering why are we doing this? In 2024. But here's the catch. This deal is only available for a limited time. Once the clock runs out, this opportunity vanishes forever. And it doesn't get any better than this, my friend. After all, where else can you get 12 best-selling AI apps worth $11,997 for less than the price of a holiday coffee? You can't. So, what are you waiting for? Right now, you can grab lifetime access to the New Year BundleApps at a ridiculously low one-time price. But you have to act fast, as this exclusive deal is disappearing soon. Remember, it's completely risk-free. You're backed by our 30-day money-back guarantee. So don't wait a second longer. Click the button below now and grab this unbeatable deal before it's gone forever. Happy New Year and happy profiting. We'll see you inside.
be warned, there is a funnel. Here's the breakdown so you don't get surprised. The front end is $17. OTO 1 is the Pro Edition for $47. This likely unlocks faster processing and advanced features for the apps. OTO 2 is the Unlimited Edition for $67. This removes usage caps. This is my top pick if you plan to use this for clients, so you never run out of credits. OTO 3 is the Done For You setup for $97. OTO 4 is Automation for $37. OTO 5 is the Agency license for $97. And OTO 6 is the full white label license for $197. This is different from the front end. The front end lets you sell the work you create. This OTO likely lets you rebrand the entire software dashboard and sell access to other people as your own SaaS product. Here's my personal insight after putting this through my usual torture test. Is every single one of these 12 apps going to be the best in the world? Probably not. The website builder isn't going to have the deep customization of a $10,000 custom coded site, but for $17, it's a Swiss Army knife. It's perfect for spinning up quick affiliate pages, sending emails without fear of monthly bills, or fulfilling simple Fiverr gigs for quick cash. The fact that you get Backlink Maker included means you can even handle your own basic SEO. It's a fantastic starter kit for anyone who wants to stop bleeding money on subscriptions. Now let's be real about what this is not. It's not a magic button that prints money while you sleep. You still need to find the clients to sell these services to. You still need to write good emails to put into the autoresponder. The tools work, but they do not do the marketing for you. If you think buying this tool will instantly put a Lamborghini in your driveway without you doing any work, please keep scrolling. This is a tool set, not a lottery ticket. Imagine starting 2026 with 0 monthly software fees. Imagine having an entire digital agency in your pocket for the price of a cheap lunch. That is what New Year BundleApps unlocks for you. It gives you the freedom to experiment, launch new ideas, and sell services without worrying about overhead costs dragging you down. The link is below, and this launch pricing is definitely not going to last forever. If you want to lock in that one-time price, do it now. If you have questions, drop them in the comments below. I read every single one. If this video saved you time or money, hit that like button and subscribe for more no-nonsense reviews. This is Kamal from TestedApps.com. Go make some money. See ya.